Welcome to Chinnu Maths tutorial. Today we discuss intermediate first year mathematics paper 1A. The topic is matrices. ఈ వీడియోలో 3B ఎక్సర్సైజ్ సంబంధించిన ప్రాబ్లం చేద్దాము. సో వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు మన ఛానల్ ఇంకెవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో అందుతుంది. సో నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ఒకవేళ అందకపోయినా ఎవ్రీడే ఈవినింగ్ 6:30 తర్వాత మన ఛానల్ ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేయండి. సో వీడియోస్ అప్లోడ్ చేయబడి ఉంటాయి. సో ఈ వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి, అలాగే ఈ వీడియోను మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ కూడా షేర్ చేసి మన ఛానల్కు సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ we discuss. The third problem is find a square where the matrices of a equal to 4, 2, minus 1. See here, can find the matrices of a square means a square can be written as a into a. Okay, so then it is equal to, what is the matrices of a equal to 4, 2, minus 1, 1. Again a equal to 4, 2, minus 1, 1. First we have to verify the product condition is satisfied or not. So it is the 2 by 2 matrices, it is also 2 by 2 matrices. See here, the number of the columns in the matrices of A in number of the rows in the matrices of another matrices. So then the condition is satisfied. When the condition is satisfied, the product is defined. So then you can write a square equal to, write the product. So then first row and first column, 4 into 4, 16. Then 2 into minus 1, minus 2. First row and second column, 4 into 2, 8, plus 2 into 1, again 2. Similarly, second row and first column, minus 1 into 4, minus 4, 1 into minus 1, again minus 1. Next, second row and second column, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 1 into 1. So then a square equal to 16 minus 2, 14, 8 plus 2, 10, minus 4 minus 1, minus 5, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. So then it is also 2 by 2 matrices. So then it is the a square value. Similarly, the fourth question, given the matrices of A and find the a square. So it is also same. A square, it can be written as a into a. So then a into a is nothing but I 0 0 I, again into I 0 0 I. So then before the multiplication, first we have to verify the product rule. What is the product rule? Equal to number of the columns in the matrices, first matrices, number of the rows in the second matrices, both are equal. So 2 2 both are equal. Then you can write the product. A square equal to, directly you have to multiply first row and first column, I into I square, plus 0 into 0 0. First row and second column, 0 into I 0, 0 into I 0. Right, it is equal to second column and second row and first column, 0 into I 0, plus I into 0 0. Next, second row and second column, 0 into 0, again I into I square. But we know that what is the I square value equal to? Minus 1. Okay, then a square equal to I square 0 0 I square. Then substitute the I square value, then minus 1 0 0 minus 1. It is, the order is 2 by 2. It is the product of a into a, that is equal to a square. Next question we can discuss. If given matrices of A, B and C, given that I is the unit matrices of order 2, then you can show that A square equal to B square equal to C square equal to minus I. The second question is AB equal to minus of BA equal to minus C. So let's see the first question. Before that, first to find A square value. A square can be written as A into A. So what is the matrices of A equal to I 0 0 minus I into A I 0 0 minus I. Both are 2 by 2 matrices. So then the number of columns in the first matrices equal to number of rows in the second matrices. The product rule is satisfied. When the product rule is satisfied, then you can write a square value. A square equal to, write the product. So then first row and first column, I into I square, plus 0 into 0 again 0. Next first row and second column I into 0 0 plus 0 into minus I, it is equal to 0. Then second row and first column 0 into I 0 minus I into 0 0. Next 0 into 0 minus into minus plus I square. So then A square equal to I square 0 0 again I square. But we know that what is the I square value equal to? Minus 1. Then you can substitute A square equal to minus 1 0 0 minus 1. Minus 1 is right the common factor. So then you can write minus is the common factor. So we can write 1 0 0 1 according to the scalar multiplication. So then A square equal to, already we know that it is the 2 by 2 identity matrices. So it is denoted by I. So then A square equal to minus I. Take this is equation 1. Okay. Similarly, find the B square value. B square equal to, B square can be written as B into B. So what is the matrix of B equal to? 0 minus 1 1 0 into again 0 minus 1 1 0. So then the product rule is satisfied. The both matrices are order is 2 by 2 2 by 2. So then B square equal to, then multiply first row and first column, then 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 again minus 1, then 0 into minus 1 0 minus 1 into 0 0. Next 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 0 into 0 plus 0. So then B square equal to minus 1 0 0 minus 1, right? Minus is the common factor, 1 0 0 1 according to the definition of scalar multiplication. It is a 2 by 2 identity matrices. So then B square equal to minus of, it is denoted by I. So then this is equation 2. Similarly, write C square equal to C into C. Then what is the matrices of C equal to? 0 I 0 into 0 I 0. Then you can multiply. Then C square equal to 0 into 0 0 I into I square plus I square. Next 0 into I 0 I into 0 again 0, I into 0 0 plus 0 into I 0, I into I square plus 0 into 0 0. Then C square equal to I square 0 again 0 I square. But we know that what is the I square value equal to? I square equal to minus 1. Then you can substitute C square equal to minus 1 0 0 minus 1. So then minus is the common factor, 1 0 0 1. So then it is the 2 by 2 identity. So identity matrix is denoted by I. So then minus of I. Take equation 3. From equation 1 2 and 3. So then you can write A square equal to B square equal to C square equal to minus of I. So next we discuss second question. What is the second question? First find the product of A into B. The matrices of A equal to I 0 0 minus I. The product of B, the matrices of B equal to 0 minus 1 1 0. The both matrices are 2 by 2 matrices. So then the product rule is, the condition of the product is satisfied. So then directly you have to write the product of A into B. The first row and first column, I into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0. First row and second column, I into minus 1 minus I, then 0 into 0 again 0. Next 0 into 0 minus 1 into I minus I, 0 into minus 1 0, I into 0, it will be 0. So then A into B equal to 0 minus I again minus I, it is equal to 0. take the minus is a common factor, you can write 0 I, again I 0. See here, what is the matrices of C equal to 0 I 0. According to this one, this matrices is equivalent to C. So then AB equal to minus C. Take equation 1. Similarly, find BA value. First find the product of BA. So then what is the B matrices is 0 minus 1 1 0, and matrices of A equal to I 0 0 minus I. Okay, then you can multiply B into A equal to 0 into I 0 minus 1 into 0 0, then 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into minus I, minus into minus plus I. Next 1 into I 0 into 0 plus 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 into minus I 0. So then BA equal to 0 I, again I, it is equal to 0. Find minus BA value, minus of B into A. So then we can write minus of 0 I 0. See here, it is the matrices of C. 0 I 0 equal to matrices of C. Then you can substitute minus of BA equal to, it is equal to minus of C. Equation 2. From 1 and 2, so we can write AB equal to minus C, minus BA equal to minus C. So finally you have to write AB equal to minus of BA equal to minus of C. We discuss the next problem. The problem number 6. If given the matrix A and matrix B, find AB and find BA if it's exist. Let's see, first take the given matrices of A equal to 2 1 1 3 and matrices of B equal to 3 2 0 1 0 4. Write the order of matrices of A equal to 2 rows and 2 columns 2 by 2 and 2 rows and 3 columns. What is our condition? The number of columns in the matrices of A, number of rows in the matrices of B, then both are equal, then the product is exist. So number of columns in A equal to number of rows in B, it is equivalent to 2. The condition is satisfied. So therefore AB is defined. The product AB is defined. Then you can write the product of A into B. What is the product of A into B? So then take the first row and multiply to the all columns of the second matrices R1 C1, R1 C2 and R1 C3. So then you can write 2 into 3 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, then 2 into 2 4, 1 into 0 plus 0, then 2 into 0 0 plus 1 into 4 plus 4. Similarly, take the second row and multiply to the all columns of the second matrices. Okay, then 1 into 3 3 plus 3 into 1 plus 3, 1 into 2 2 plus 3 into 0 0, then 1 into 0 0 plus 3 into 4 12. So then you can write 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 0 4, again 4. You can write 3 plus 3 6 and 2 plus 0 2, 12 plus 0 12. So then the product of A into B equal to 7 4 4 and 6 to 12. What is the order equal to? 2 rows and 3 columns. So the number of columns in the matrices of A, the number of rows in the matrices of E, both are equal to the 2, then AB is defined. So the product of AB is this one. Next question we discuss, if A equal to given one matrices and A square equal to 0, it is a given condition, then find the value of K. So before that, find the A square value. So then A square can be written as A into A. So then matrices of A equal to 2 4 minus 1 K, and again A matrices is taken as 2 4 minus 1 K. Both are 2 by 2 matrices. Then the condition is satisfied. The number of columns in the first matrices is equal into the number of rows in the second matrices. It is 2 by 2. Again it is also 2 by 2. So then both are equal. Then you can write the product. First row and first column. 2 into 2, 4. Again 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Okay. Next R1 C2. Then 2 into 4, 8. Then 4 into K plus 4K. Okay. Next one. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Then K into minus 1, minus K. Then minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Then K into K plus K square. So it is equal to 0, 8 plus 4K, and minus of 2 minus K, minus 4 plus K square. It is the value of A square. But given A square equal to 0, 0 is nothing but null matrices. So then A square equal to 0 means what is A square value? The A square matrices is 0, 8 plus 4K, then minus 2 minus K, minus 4 plus K square. It is equal to, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. So that is why take the null matrix also 2 by 2 matrices. 0, 0, again 0, 0. Already we know that equality of two matrices. When the given two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. So if you take any one corresponding element, you will get the K value. So I will take this corresponding element equal to 0. Then minus 2 minus K equal to 0. Minus K can be written as here, the sign should be changed, that is equal to plus K. So implies K equal to minus 2. If you take this corresponding value equal to 0, or I will take one more. Suppose if you take these corresponding elements are equal, 8 plus 4K equal to 0 implies 4K equal to plus 8 can be written as here, that is equal to minus 8. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, then K equal to minus 2. Both are gives the same answer. If you take any corresponding element equivalent to 0, so then K value equal to minus 2. Second section, first question. Given one matrix as A, then find A power of 4. So A power of 4 can be written as A square into A square. Okay. First find A square value. A square, again A square can be written as A into A. So that means so 3 0 0 0 3 0, again 0 0 3 into okay, both are 3 by 3 matrices. So number of columns in the first matrices is equivalent to the number of rows in the second matrices. Then you can write the product. So directly you have to write the product. R1 and C1, 3 into 3, 9. The remaining value 0 plus 0, again 0 plus 0, that will be 0, plus 0, again plus 0, right. Next R1 and C2, 3 into 0, 0, 0 into 3, 0, again 0 into 0. Next R1 C3, then 3 into 0, 0, again 0 plus 0. Next R2 C1, then 0 plus again 0 plus 0. Next R2 C2, 0 into 0, 0 plus 3 into 3, 9 plus 0. Next R2 C3, then 0 into 0, 3 into 0 and 0 into 3, that will be 0. Next R3 C1, then 0, again plus 0, again plus 0. Next R3 C2, then again 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 3, 0, again 0. then R3 C3, then 0 plus 0, 3 into 3, 9. So finally we will get 9 0 0, again 0 9 0, and 0 0 9. So then it is the product of a into a, that is a square. So a power of 4 equal to a square into a square. It is equal to 900 090, a square value 009, the matrices of a square, into again 900 090 and 009. Then you can write the product of a square into a square, that is equal to a power of 4. A power of 4 equal to R1 C1, 9 into 9 81, remaining values are 0, 0 plus 0. Similarly R1 C2, then 9 into 0, 0 into 9, 0 into 0, the total value equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0. Write clearly. Okay. R1 C3, then 9 into 0, 0 into 0, again 0 into 9, it is also 0 plus 0 plus 0. Similarly R2 C1, R2 C1 means 0 into 9, 0, 9 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, then 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next R2 C2, first one is 0 into 0, 9 into 9 81, again plus 0. Then R2 C3, the total value is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next R3 C1, so then 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then R3 C2, 0 into 0, 0 into 9, 0, 9 into 0, the total value equal to 0. Next last one R3 C3, 0 plus again 0 plus 9 into 9, 81. So then a power of 4 equal to, you can write 81 0 0 and 0 81 0, then 0 0 81. So write 81 is the common factor, 81 into, you can write 100, then 010 001. So we can observe that it is the identity matrices. The identity matrices is denoted by capital I. So then a power of 4 equal to 81 into I. This is the final solution.